Hey all, KSPortalcraftEDU here. I always forget the edu part. I have no idea why. Today we'll be covering something a little different. We're doing the classic sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid experiment. I will go over what the reaction is doing at the end of the video. What we're trying to find out if adding the sodium bicarbonate first changes the reaction at all. If so, how? A little tidbit, I had no idea acetic acid was found in vinegar and was the main ingredient. Acetic acid, for your information, can be used in the synthesis of numerous drugs, while it is usually in its dehydrated form. Acetic anhydride, but still. It does make sense. Vinegar is easy to make, and in turn acetic acid, so it would be perfect for drugs, a cheap and easily producible chemical. If you want to repeat the lab at home, grab yourself acetic acid. White vinegar is what I use as a source, but if you happen to have pure acetic acid, I would probably use a lot less vinegar, as vinegar is made up around 4 to 8% acetic acid. Also, unfortunately, I cannot find my scales, so we will have to be using cups, which is not ideal. And also, I forgot to measure the metric system too. I used 1/3 cup of white vinegar. Remember, if you're using pure acetic acid, use a lot less. And one half tablespoon of baking soda, aka sodium bicarbonate. Remember to double it since we're doing it twice. Okay, let's get to the lab finally. Sorry about it being in portrait mode, my mistake. The first one of the lab, I put acetic acid source first, then added the sodium bicarbonate. The reaction lasted approximately 26 seconds and went up around 6 ounces. We're putting the sodium bicarbonate first was more trouble. It lasted around 50 seconds. I had to count it myself. I was holding the camera while also pouring the acetic acid was a pain, so that's why you do not see the second run. Yeah, well, it didn't really have a high power and crap. This was for fun. There was no problem solved. Well, what was going on is there was a chemical reaction going on that made salt and CO2, which is responsible for the first two things. Guys, please subscribe or something. Bye.